Luto na yung... Nakahawak na siya sa ano niya. Nagutom na ako. Kaya ko na. Mag-oatmeal lang ako. Ito ba? Sa Uncle Toby's. Ito. Mag-oatmeal ako and apple. Panindigan natin ang no rice. Si Holly, ang kakainin niya is yung tirang fried rice tsaka chicken. Di ba, 40han? Roast beef?
So like that. So like that, right?
Why? It's only...
Hey!
Ay! Shitty! Ah! Natapun, this is not good now.
You just ripped it open with that when you
Did I?
Look! Didn't rip it off properly. Mum's
Natapun
still
siya,
there.
guys.
My beautiful darling.
I have a little, here, Han. 2 hours? Hi! Gusto ko siyang lutuan ng roast beef. Honey, look! It's only small. Johnny boy. Daddy. Only small. You want?
Yeah.
Tapon siya, guys. Ayan.
I want to whip it.
Ito siya. Diba? Kita niyo?
Mess it in my shield.
Ano? Ayan.
That is just build it for me.
Ayan na yung...
Give Baba do it.
Oh, do it, Baba. Akin na.
I don't do it. I don't do it. I don't do it. I don't do it.
Okay, go. Thank you. Wait, Baba. Magnanap si Jan kasi maaga rin siya gumising kanina.
I don't do it.
Okay na, Baba? Oh.
Make another one, don't let go. Take a trip, we can get away. Lose ourselves inside. Everything on our minds is okay, cause this is love. Don't care if it kills me. Love's only me. This is love. I'm stretched out with the world below us. This is love. Could go up in smoke, but we never notice. It's got me slipping up. I just can't say it enough. This is love.
No way.
Daddy's calling you, Baba. Oh, siya na naglagay. Very good. Good job, Baba. Well done.
Okay, put that right there so I can see.
Arte-arte mo. Thanks for helping, Holly. You're such a good girl na talaga. You're not baby anymore. You're ano? A girl. Big girl. Oh, Daddy's calling you. I think Daddy wants your hug. Magnanap yan si Janine. Lagi siyang pumupunta doon kay Daddy niya pag nagnanap. Okay, hug Daddy now.
I needed this.
Okay, good job. Well done.
What? Is that for exercise?
This is for Mommy because Mommy is on diet. So, gawin ko na lang dalawa.
Mama,
Kasi eto, natapon yung kalahati.
I want that.
Okay. No, you can have your rice and
No, I
chicken.
don't like it.
Yes? No, this is for Mommy,
No,
Baba.
I want some.
I can give you a little bit. But you're gonna eat your rice and chicken.
Chicken.
Diba sabi ko, honey chicken ko siya or sesame chicken.
that.
Parang hindi na yun matutupad kasi, ayan o.
That.
Yes, okay. Gagawin ko to para maluto na siya before dinner. Okay?
There's a
So, tuloy
lollipop
natin
in
yung...
there.
Huh?
There's a lollipop in there.
What lollipop?
And that bag. I think you're Mom, do you have a bag? Do you have a lollipop in your bag?
No,
no, right
lollipop.
there.
No lollipop. And ubos na yung aking organic almond milk. Ito yung lalagay ko dito.
And tomato chicken in there.
And after nito, magluluto na ng roast beef. Wait, okay. Kulit naman ang aking assistant. Okay. Make sure you don't spill because we just clean up. Good girl. And lalagyan ko siya ng...
And I am doing this.
Okay, you do that then. Slowly. Make sure you don't spill. Put it all. There's not much there. Tingnan, baka mayroon pa ako dito. Good job, Papa.
Yay!
Thank you. Be quiet na because Daddy's sleeping. Ah, tama lang siya.
That's not sleepy. That's
Microwave ko lang to.
That's resting.
Huh?
That's resting.
Daddy's resting.
Just smile, cause you're by my side. And now your eyes open up every morning to the love that shines in mine. And I see it in yours too. So now I sing to you. And when you go, you leave me here all alone. I'll be waiting, we can make it because
Hindi pa kami kumakain ng lunch ni Holly kasi inuna ko muna to para maluto to before dinner. And one day gagawin ko to sa Chona's Kitchen, guys. So abangan nyo na lang kung interesado kayo. And yan, nainit ko na yung yung oven. Ilalagay ko lang to sa oven bag. Then, ready na siyang lutuin. Ah, okay. Mommy will cut it. Ayaw niya yung tag. Okay? We'll eat soon, baba.
I know that after all
Buksan ko na tong oven kasi ready nang ipasok yung i-roast natin na beef. Linagay ko siya sa, yes baby. Linagay ko siya sa oven bag. And dito sa tray. Oops. Yep, ready. Diyan. Diyan ka muna. Kulang yung yung almond milk. So, bubuksan ko to. Meron pa akong spare. Ayan. Meron pa akong isa kasi tingnan nyo, nag-dry yung sa ibabaw. Kulang pa siya. Tapos maglalagay pa ako ng chia seed. And apple. And tsaka yung iba pa yung may nuts, yung binili ko, yung mix. Okay na lang, may extra akong extra, mayroon pa akong isa. Balik ko to sa microwave. Ilagay natin muna ito sa ref. Your next, Baba, initin ko yung pagkain ni Holly din pala. Yung sa'yo na, Baba. Not yet.
I know that after
Ito yung lunch ni Holly. Leftover na chicken from yesterday and leftover na fried rice kaninang umaga. So, yan yung lunch niya. And sa akin, eto, hindi na ako maglalagay ng apple kasi meron naman siyang iba-ibang mix na Ito yung tropical mix na nabili ko sa Kohl's. Meron siyang banana, apricot. You're welcome, baby. Okay. Oh,
I'll sit next to you.
okay. Okay. Gusto niyo maupo next to me.
Now you're watching this.
So, instead na apple, kakain muna ako ng egg. Tapos, ayan. And habang kumakain kami ni Holly, manunod ako ng Korean drama. And magta-transfer ako ng file para mamaya na i-edit ko para sa vlog for tomorrow. You right, Papa? Take kain.
Kain.
Kain muna kami, guys. Nanood akong tulfo and eto, naubos ko yung aking oatmeal. And bago ko yung kinain, kumain muna ako ng isang hard-boiled egg kaya sobrang busog ako. And si Holly, kinain niya lahat ng chicken pero may tirang konting sinangag. Tapos yung tubig ko, konti na lang yung natira. Hanggang dito yan nung linagyan ko. Tapos ayun, dami ko lang nainom. And nakapag-transfer na rin ako ng file para i-edit ko mamaya. 3 na guys, and parating na yung mga bata. 3:15. Nagbabite na yung... Okay. Iihi daw siya sa labas. Kumuha siya ng tissue. Sa grass ba? Yung alam mo yun, yung parang Pinoy lang. Huwag yung sabihin, hindi yung ginagawa yan. Pag mayroong kahoy, pwede kang pag walang CR. Si Holly doon, nasa labas siya. Ewan kung bakit siya iihi doon. Kumuha pa akong aluminum foil. Kasi magbe-bake na lang akong potato. Kasi kahapon, di ba, nag-mashed potato na si John. So, magbe-bake akong potato. And maybe, din. Carrots. Kasi may carrots pa ako dito.
The tissue blew away too windy.
Oh, nilipad yung tissue niya.
I'm trying to put it in the floor.
Okay, you have to hold it, Baba.
Come on.
Lumipad yung tissue niya.
At the roof.
Yeah, mahangin kasi. So, ibibake ko lang to.
Feeling fine, cause you said this is.
So, yan, hinugasan ko lang sila. Bernas ng olive oil na may salt and pepper. Then, ilagay ko na sa oven. So, hayaan lang natin siya dyan. Ririnig ko na sila. Hi, cover your thing, Baba. Where's Kuya?
And look.
Kuya Zach. Where's Kuya?
And look. Like
Cover
this,
your thing, Baba.
like this, Kuya.
Hi. I should cover.
Like this.
How are you? I love you.
Like this.
I did exercise today, na.
Like this.
Today. Today. This morning. Here.
Like this.
Yep. Hanap siya ng snack. Wala na silang may inom na
Can you
V8.
put a video in there?
Yeah, where's your V8? Hindi niya ininom yung yung V8. Tubig daw yung ininom niya. So, ilalagay niya yun. Papalitan niya ng malamig. So, hindi niya nainom kasi tubig daw ininom niya. Which is good. Ha? You did we?
No.
No? Why? Si Kuya wala pa. Hindi pa. Where's Kuya?
I don't know. It's taking forever. Hey, that's
Wala pa rin si Kuya. Siguro nasa labas siya. Inom niya. Kinukuha niya na yung vitamins niya. You're not gonna have one at night, Holly, if you're gonna eat yours now. Si Kuya, yun nga, wala pa si Kuya. Si Sak nakaubos na ng V8 na tropical. Pero si Kuya. What take you so long?
outside with Dad.
Okay. Gising na si...
Where's,
Huh?
what are you cooking?
Huh? What I'm cooking? Roast beef. Naamoy na kasi nila. Sa labas pa lang, naamoy na nila ang luto ko. Have some snacks, Kuya. Kuya, kumuha na ng snack. Oy, Kuya, close the pantry, please. May sinasabi si Jan kasi yung friend niya nasa Melbourne and dada ng Geelong. And what you got, Han? What did you order?
4 kilo snags,
Snugs.
4 kilo rum,
Rum.
4 kilo porterhouse, 4 kilo scotch,
Wow.
and 2 kilo mignon.
So, we're just gonna cut it.
Yes,
Are we gonna...
and then freeze it, yeah.
Na naka-cry back bagong... Is it new cut, Han?
Yeah,
Oh, so mamaya. Are they gonna bring it today?
yeah, I'm gonna go pick it up later.
Pipick up niya later. So, mamaya. Pakita sa...
I'm gonna take him to the chemist just to have a look at that. Might be get some need more other cream.
Yeah. Si Kuya kasi, naalala nyo yung dito niya, ayaw niya ipakita yung parang bilog na dito sa ano niya, dahil sa rilo niya. So, dadali ni Jan si Kuya sa pharmacist. So, titingnan lang kasi hindi naman daw kailangan mag-doctor. Oh!
I did that.
Wow, na-enjoy niya.
Get my jumper.
And nag-start na akong, dinidelete ko na yung inedit ko kaninang alas 4 para mamaya mag-edit naman ako yung para bukas. Yun yung dalawa. Ang bango-bango ng bahay dahil sa roast beef na yan. Hindi pa siya luto. Tingnan niyo si Holly. Sinasayaw niya sa hip-hop. Pinapatugtog ni Zach. Ayun siya. Mag-copyright tayo, guys. Tinatawag na ako ng aking roast beef. Dan. Pinindot ko lang parang hindi na siya umingay. Nilagay ko muna kayo dyan kasi kailangan ito ng 2 kamay. Ayan. Hayaan ko muna siya dyan. Ilalabas ko yan pag ready na kaming kumain. Kasi luto na to. Kasi 2 hours na siya. Malit lang naman siya. Pero 2 hours ko siyang in-oven. Ayan. Ayan siya. Ayan. Okay na yan. And yung ano na lang. Yung potatoes tsaka carrots. Si Kuya, pumunta sila sa chemist para kumuha nito. Mamaya, pagligo niya, lalagyan ko siya nito. What's wrong, Baba? Nagbabala sila ng daddy niya. Oh, ang tagal niya. Kanina pa niya ako tinatawag. Oh, good job, Baba. Good job. Yeah. Ang lakas ng music ng dalawa. Yung dalawang boys nag-music eh. Ayan, gagawa na sila ng homework ni daddy.
Should.
What's that say?
Show.
Who?
Show. Show.
Where
Holly,
you going
Alice.
today?
Holly, alis ka
Right.
dyan. Not on the table, Baba. Where's the ruler? Ayan. Binigyan niya ng guide. Binigyan ng line kasi may isusulat niya tong mga words na to. Ayan. And
That's the tongue.
what's this,
Oh,
Zach?
look at your straight line, Zachary.
What's this, Zach?
Sow.
Anong saw? Saw.
Hey.
Horn.
Home. How about this?
Sow.
Anong saw?
I saw you. Start there.
What word is that, Zach?
You have to put a line, Zachary.
Yes, I do. Something from
What word is that, Zach? What are you writing?
soul.
Saw.
Saw.
Like saw. I saw the bird. I
That's
saw.
right.
I'm like saw.
No.
Use it.
I saw Holly yesterday. Like that. This.
Friend.
Very good.
Nice and neat.
What's that word again, Zach?
Friend.
Friend. Very good. And si Kuya, ginagawa niya na rin yung homework niya. Tapos na si Zach magsulat.
Friend. School. Your. Again. Horn.
What's the first one?
Zoo.
What's the third one?
School.
What's the last one?
Horn.
What is the fourth one? Before home.
Again.
Very good. What is this?
Your.
This.
So.
Very good. And ayan si Kuya naman, ginagawa niya na rin yung homework niya. Very good, kiddos. Tapos na si Sak, oh. Bilis. Si Kuya, ayan ang homework niya. Is that mathematics, Kuya?
No, just math.
Yeah, math.
Homework.
Ayun ng mathematics, math homework. Bilis niya rin, oh. Ako, mag-i-edit na ako habang andun pa rin yung potatoes tsaka carrots. And yung roast beef, nandun lang siya. Niluluto niya yung sarili niya sa init. So, okay. Si Jam, pinabili ko siya ng gravy kasi naubusan ako ng gravy, di ba? Hindi pa nakakabili. Wala na ako yung isa. Masarap yung isang gravy na ginagamit. Ito, GABOS yung gravy. Traditional gravy. So, mamaya gagawin ko to. Nasa last page na si Kuya. Malapit na siyang matapos. Papaturo na si Kuya sa daddy niya. And bumili siya ng
Okay, done.
fly spray kasi naubusan lang kami. And si Sak,
Well,
ayun.
I'm saying fly. Every time I got this in my ear,
I know, pagkawak niya yan, wala nang flies. And pag wala yan, maraming flies. And si Sak,
Zach, ready flies over here?
nagre-relax na siya doon. Tapos na yung homework niya. Well, oh, ayun, may nakuha siyang isa. Oops. Meron pang ibang assignment si Kuya. Tapos na siya sa math. Yan naman ay English.
Use but.
Ayan na. Si Zach tumabi na.
So now you gotta what? Use
Mamaya, magdi-dinner na kami kasi 5 o'clock na. Pinatay ko na yung yung oven.
We'll get another sentence in.
And ako nandito nag-work.
Paper.
May homework din daw siya from school. Nagpapaturo din siya sa daddy niya. Sabi ko sa inyo, copycat yan eh.
Hold the paper. I'll hold the paper for you. Alright.
Nagkakalat ka na naman.
Hold the paper, put your hand there. Go. Now use this one.
Tapos na yung boys. Tapos na sila ng homework nila. Kaya siya naman.
Careful, see, you can't do little, you just gotta do little.
Maya-maya, maggagawa na ako ng gravy. Ito. Ito yung gagawin kong gravy. Mag-ano na ako, gawa na ako ng gravy kasi yung mga kids and si Jan, naliligo na. Pinapaliguan niya na yung mga boys. And si Holly and ako, gawin ko na yung gravy para pagkatapos nila, tapos na rin ako dito. Kakain na kami. Kalimutan ko yung mushroom kong ilagay sa oven. Naka-off na yung oven. So, dito na lang to sa air fryer. Dito ka na lang sa air fryer. Nagpapakulo ako ng tubig.
You have to wear it.
Ayan.
Eyes open up every morning to the love that shines in mine, and I see it in yours too. So now I sing to you, and when you go, you leave me here all alone. I'll be waiting, we can make it, because I know that after all this time you'll read.
So, eto na yung dinner. Eto na yung roast beef with baked potato and carrots. Ito yung kay Jan. Wala pa yung gravy. Ito yung kay Sak. Mayroon siyang chicken nuggets na konti. And ang kay Kuya, mayroon siyang baked potato, rice, fried rice, and roast beef. And ito yung kay Holly. So, lalagyan ko siya ng gravy. Ito yung gravy. So, lagyan natin siya ng gravy. So, konti lang. Mamaya, pwede naman nilang dagdagan. Kay Sak, kay Kuya. So, yan na yung dinner nila. Yung akin mamaya na.
Just smile. And now you're
Ito yung yung potato. Can you carry a hand, please?
Cut what?
The potato.
Yeah.
Ayan. Meron siyang mozzarella. Start na ako mag-edit and tapos na silang kumain and ito yung natira sa roast beef and isang potato. Pero hindi ko yan kakainin kasi meron akong mushroom. Hindi pa ako kakain. And siya yung naguhugas.
just smile, 'cause you're by my side. Now your eyes open up every morning to the love that shines in mine. And I see
Si
it.
Kuya, hindi pa tapos kumain. What are you eating, Kuya? Ha? What? Hard work. What's yan, popcorn chicken. And M&M na siya, oh. Thank you. Close that one because the...
Oh, finished. Look.
I know. Yeah, thank you.
That's alright.
Whatever. Ayun na yung ginagawa nila, oh. Kanina niya pag ginagawa yan, after niya magugas. Hoy, hold on ha. Hold on, Holly. Hold on, hold on. That's enough.
Go, run.
Rambo. Tapos pinapatakbo niya. Oy! Pinapatakbo niya pagkatapos niya paikot-ikot. It's so funny daw. Hi. My God. That's enough, Papa. That's enough.
High, Bubba.
That's enough.
You don't jump down, you gotta jump up. Up high, big.
Sana talaga. Hon, that's enough. No.
3.
Hon.
No, wait.
No more, that's enough. No.
Hindi wag.
This is the last one. There's something back here, please. This is the last one.
I'm gonna try up higher. So.
No. That's enough, Ollie. Kuya, mauubos niya na yung popcorn chicken. Di ba pinakita ko sa inyo, meron pang, ano yan. Ayun na lang yung natitira. Ilang beses na siya bumabalik-balik. So, alis na siya. Kasi nga, kukunin niya yung in-order niyang beef. Mas mura. Mura yung nakuha. Okay, see ya.
Into bed 8:30.
Yeah. What's that? This is ring and then text.
This one's Joe.
Okay, see you.
I'll say bye. Thanks for tea.
You're welcome. Thanks for watching.
Gotta go get the thing.
See ya. May ano siya, yung may cold sore nandiyan pa. And ako,
Hang on a second.
ah, kakain. Oh, no, Papa, that's mine. Hindi pa ako kumakain.
Then have the last one, please.
Umihirit pa siya. Gusto niya mag-bite. Okay. Yung akin. Oh my God, Baba. Oh, that's too big. Ang very tender. Ay, kaya eto na lang yung natira, oh. Yung akin, yung mushroom ko, dito, mainit pa to. Mushroom. Etong, hindi ko yan kakainin, di ba sabi ko sa inyo. So, yan yung dinner ko. Mushroom. Yes, mushroom and
Mom,
hindi ko naman ito mauubos.
Mom, do you know where those biscuits from Coles?
What biscuits?
Those biscuits.
What kind of biscuits?
Remember the one what we bought from Coles? Those biscuits?
Which one? We got lots of biscuits.
The back one when you're that. Remember?
Ah, yeah. Not at Coles. Hinahanap niya yung soya. I ate it. The soya one.
Wait, Mom.
I ate it. Yeah.
Mom.
Yeah, no, chocolate. Put it there.
Can I clear 9?
One Cloud9 each. Yes, you can.
Oh.
Kakain na din ako kasi, ayan, 7:30 na. Magsa 7:30 na. And kanina, habang kumakain sila, hanggang nahuga si Jana, nakapag-edit ako. Pero hindi ko ito matatapos. And, yeah, hindi ko ito tatapusin. Magpapahinga na ako kasi maliligo ako. And bukas ko na lang ipagpapatuloy yan. Gigising ako ng maaga. And, eto si Baba. Tingnan nyo yung ginawa niya sa kanyang, say, Cloud9. Cloud9. Binilog-bilog niya na. So, i-close na namin yung vlog, guys. Thank you. Say salamat po.
Salamat po.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Please like.
Please like.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
If you haven't yet.
See you next vlog.
See you on our next vlog. Thank you. Salamat.
Salamat.
Good night. Okay, good night. Good night,
Good
guys.
night, guys.
Good night. Boys, good night.
Good night.
Paradise, tell me who you seek.